Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn one beautiful and nice and good story. Let's start. Allah made them all. Allah has made all the animals, birds, insects, and fish. He has made them all. Some fly, some swim, some creep on their tummies, some walk on two legs, and some walk on four legs. Allah has made fish. Some fish live in the lakes, some fish live in the rivers, and some live in the seas. In the sea, there are big whales. There are also dangerous sharks and friendly dolphins. There are strange looking octopuses and beautiful starfish. Allah has taught them all how to swim in the sea. Allah has made the birds. He made them all, the small sparrows and the huge eagles. Allah, all birds have wings. Some birds fly high in the sky. Allah has taught the birds how to fly so high. Allah has made cows and goats. They give us milk. We drink milk and grow healthy and strong. We make butter, yogurt, and cheese from milk. Allah has made sheep. The sheep are covered with woolly coats. From their wool, we make sweaters, mufflers, and blankets. They keep us warm on cold days. Allah has made spiders. Allah has taught the spiders how to weave webs. The spiders are small, but they weave huge webs. A teeny spider's web can block a large window. It can even block a door. Allah has made bees. The bees fly from flower to flower. Little by little, they gather nectar from the flowers and make it into honey. Honey is very tasty. It is a good medicine for colds and coughs. Allah has made horses and donkeys and camels. They are strong. They help us carry heavy things from place to place. In olden times, there were no cars. People would ride horses or donkeys. In the desert, even today, people travel on camels. Allah has made all the animals, birds, insects, and fish. They all belong to Allah. Allah is great